Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Toyota Auris 1.6 petrol. The AC condenser on this car is located right there, so in order to get access to it, we need to remove the front bumper. First, we'll start by removing this plastic cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the front bumper. To remove the bumper, we need to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. There is these bolts that I'm showing you. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next, we're going to remove the plastic clips that are holding the bumper on the side. That's one of them, and that's the other. This plastic clip, you need to turn it and then pull it out. The other plastic clip that holds the bumper is this one right there. You need to turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out again because it's a plastic clip. Now that the two plastic clips are removed, you can just pull out the bumper on this side and you can see it got separated from the wing. And you need to do the same on the other side. Again, two plastic clips, you need to turn them and then pull them out. Next, we're going to remove the front bumper. We just need to pull it out on this side and then pull it on the other side, and it will come out. When you take off the bumper, there might be some electrical connectors for the halogen lights or the parking sensors. If you have, you need to disconnect them, and then you can take off the bumper. Now that the bumper is removed, we have access to the AC condenser. First, we'll start by removing the AC lines. This bolt is for one AC line and the other bolt. We remove both bolts and pull out the AC lines. Next, we need to remove the bolts holding this plate on the top of both radiators. To remove it, there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove. That's the bolt that I'm showing you. I also need to remove this hose that's attached to this metal plate. Also, I need to disconnect the horn. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'll just lift up this metal plate and just put it to the side. Now that this metal plate is removed, I have access to the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. In order to remove the AC condenser, I'm going to remove first the two AC lines which are on the left side. They're right there. To separate the AC condenser from the cooling radiator, I need to remove this bolt right there, and on the other side is another bolt which is right there, and then I will be able to lift up this plastic thing. Now we can lift this plastic panel, but I'm only going to be replacing the condenser, so I just need to lift it a little bit in order to take the condenser out. And now I can lift up the condenser, and that's the condenser out. Now I replace the condenser with a new one. Before putting the condenser back on the car, first don't forget to add about 50 milliliters of pack 46 AC oil. After you add the oil, then we'll put the AC condenser back on the car and assemble it in exactly the reverse way. Also, don't forget to replace the O-rings on the two AC lines before putting them onto the AC condenser. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.